Namaskar, good morning, and how is everyone? So, this is Dr. Beena Wagle of Samarth Wellness Clinic, and I'm here with the final food in the Desi Superfood series that we had started. So, there were 9 of them, and this is the last one. And this one is going to shock you equally because no matter whom you speak to, or layman ho ya doctor ho ya dietitian ho, whoever you go to, they will tell you the first thing is cut sugar from your diet, right? And today's desi superfood is nothing but sugar. And yes, sugar does have its benefits. And yes, I am going to tell you what it is today so that you can decide for yourselves whether you want to skip this desi superfood or you want to use it and enhance your life. Okay, so the first thing that I will tell you is sugar is derived from sugarcane. Okay, and it is rich in AHA. अब AHA क्या होता है? अल्फा हाइड्रोक्सी एसिड. अगर आप कोई भी कॉस्मेटिक उठाओ, generally it is used in most of the cosmetics because it prevents aging. Okay, so कैसे? It fills out your wrinkles, it irons out the wrinkles, it avoids freckles. ओके, तो अब तो सबको पता है कि अच्छी स्किन के लिए हमको ये सब चाहिए, राइट? सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इट्स गोना डू फॉर यू. Sugar is a coolant, so in summer especially we do need this as a coolant. So sugar in summer is advisable. Okay, now sugar is very rich also in antioxidants, not antioxidants, antioxidants. It is good to remove the negative, I should say, the things which need to be thrown out. I don't want to use terms here, but any the byproducts of our lifestyle and food which have to be thrown out, which cause aging, are removed by or nullified by the antioxidants. So sugar is rich in antioxidants. It is a digestive aid, so it helps you in digestion. Okay, if I have to explain how, when, why, where, it will be a very lengthy video. I'm trying to keep it very short so that you don't get bored and I deliver what is important. It's a flavor enhancer, of course. हर चीज़ में चीनी पड़ती है तो मिठास बढ़ जाती है, right? It can be used as a deep cleanser of your skin. Now, how do you use this? You can use coarse sugar, or you can use slightly, castor sugar, which is a little rough texture. Mix it with glycerine, mix it with nimbu, mix it with oil, mix it with your face wash and gently scrub your face. It can be used as a deep cleanser. It's very good. I personally have tried this, so I can vouch for it. It's a detox agent, like I said. It reduces acidity. So जिसको acidity होती है, थोड़ी सी शक्कर in any form, मिश्री हो या even crystal sugar, a little bit helps in reducing the acidity. So if you want the alkaline form of sugar, then it is काकवी. आपण मराठीत त्याला काकवी म्हणतो. One stage before sugar formed, that is an alkaline product. Okay, so that is it's a form of jaggery, basically liquid jaggery बोलते हैं हम लोग. So that is very good, especially for kids who love sweet and you still want to give them sweet but थोड़ा alkaline medium में देना है, तो काकवी is very good. So this is all about sugar. And if you have any questions which you want to ask, feel free to put it down in the comments and I will get back to you. This is a very short and sweet video because it is about sweet sugar. That was the 9th Desi Superfood series, and I think with this we are going to end the Superfood series. Lots of you have given me suggestions as to what series I should be starting next. So I'm still pondering upon it, but I would like to do something with behavior patterns in parents and children, or maybe cosmetic, like many of you have asked me what are your secrets for good skin and good hair. So maybe we can do that, or I can take up, a lot of you have been sending me questions, so I can do a question answer reel, quick ones, and maybe you can let me know what you want to watch in the comments below. This is Dr. Beena Wagle. I'm a homeopath, I'm a nutritionist, I'm a counselor, and whatever you feel you need help or information, please do put it in the comments. Have a great day, and I'll sign off now. Bye-bye.